Does your work cost time and energy and often drive you crazy? This is normal. Because you have no idea whether your staff will cost your time or not. Then you may get your work delayed and miss the deadline. So, you need to learn how to allocate your time reasonably. Sort your work from easy to difficult, urgent to not urgent. And then do it one by one. Only by this way can you finish your work effectively and with high quality. Don't forget to relax yourself. You cannot finish your work excellently with a tired body.